Hey, it's Andrew. I want to show you how Seth Godin uses comments to grow his chatbot subscribers and teach you how you can set up the same thing for yourself. Let's take a look at what Seth is doing. Here's his Facebook page, and as you look at it, you can see that in there he's got a video where he's telling people that he will prompt them and help them think on a regular basis. All they have to do is comment on his video. And so I comment, and if you take a look at the right side of your screen, you're going to see my phone. And give it a sec. There it is. There's a message from Seth Godin. Well, you know, from his bot, not really from Seth Godin. And he's asking me for permission. He's saying, if you really want these prompts, please type the word prompt and I'll follow up with you on a regular basis. And so I'm going to do that. I'm going to type in the word prompt. I'm going to hit send. And his bot's going to tell me how to unsubscribe. He's really big about getting people to unsubscribe if they're not interested. And then once I've done this, unless I unsubscribe, I'm a subscriber. And ever since I did this, I've been getting messages from him. I think it's coming out daily now, where he is giving me prompts and giving me something to think about and something to engage with his chatbot on. Now let's show you how you can do it yourself. So I set up this demo account on Facebook. This is a yoga demo. I created this post that says comment below and my chatbot will send you a guide. We're going to go into the growth tools in ManyChat. We're going to create a new growth tool. We're going to use the Facebook comments growth tool. And once I hit that, you can see that I have to select the post. I have lots of demo posts here. I'm going to pick the one that I just showed you. So let's hit select on that one. ManyChat and other programs want you to confirm that you've gotten people's permission by being explicit in your post. I'm going to say yes. You can say how fast after they comment should they get a message. Is it immediately? I like immediately. You could exclude comments with certain words like no way, right? Someone's cursing, you don't want to send them a message and subscribe them. Once we hit next, and they warn us, once we hit next, we decide, do we want to send this to everyone who replies? I'm going to say yes. And I also want them to subscribe to my sequence. Now let's edit the first message they see. Let's get rid of this content and write our own. Hi, can I use this chat window to send you the guide and continue teaching you about yoga? There it is. We're going to add a button for them to say yes. Create a message that says, that acknowledges it. Namaste is what I'm going to use for this. Let's publish it. And now again, here's the web on the left, my phone on the right. Here's this post that we were just messing with. We're going to hit comment on it as a subscriber, and I'm going to write a comment right there. Look at my phone on the right. As soon as I comment, there it is. The demo bot says, can I use this chat window to teach you about yoga? And the person can press yes, and now they are subscribed, and they're going to start getting messages directly from me. So if you got this, go back and try it on your own bot. If you didn't, I know I talk a little bit fast. Go slowly, pause, try it, and keep using what I've taught you here. Really effective. Go use it today, right now, and show me how well it's working for you. Go get it.